Hello, my name's Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Ravenna blue. Across the front of the vehicle, this van features LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. Set into the front bumper is also a set of front parking sensors, as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, across all four wheels, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. The vehicle also comes with a steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle, the van comes with a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes fully ply-lined, as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle, where a step for easy access into the vehicle can be found. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and inside the cab area there is a twin armrest seat for the driver along with a twin-seater passenger bench. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Just beneath the touchscreen we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down and to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. This will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used vehicle. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.